Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Honda Pilot and we're going to do the side chrome delete installation on the doors for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. It's just a regular chrome panel on the doors, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it changes the appearance of the vehicle. If you like the product, link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's just start with the installation video. Okay, so before starting the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So to prep it, what you can do is take the vehicle to a car wash. That would be the best method in terms of removing the contaminants that the vehicle might have. Another option would be to grabbing a bottle, adding water and baby shampoo, and then just spraying it on your microfiber towel and just cleaning off the panel like that. Just make sure that when you're cleaning the panel, everything is dry, because if there's water on the panel and it gets on the adhesive is just gonna lift over time, since the adhesive will be damaged because of the water. So just make sure that the panel is completely dry before starting with the installation. Okay, so once you finish prepping the panel, the next step would be doing the installation. So with this one, we recommend starting from this end. Once you finish aligning it here, use the bottom half of the chrome panel as the guide in order to align the film to the panel. And then once we get here, we will remove any excess material. And then once we align the film, we will tack it down with our squeegee. So first, to make things easier, you can place the film on the panel and start by aligning it on this side first. So make sure you're covering all of the chrome, so it should cover everything. Once you align it on this side, lift the film carefully. We don't want to accidentally tear the film, and just like I said, follow the lower trim and use it as a guide in order to install the film. And just make sure you're covering the chrome, because underneath here is just a rubber gasket, so only cover the chrome. So it should be like that. And now grab your squeegee and start tacking the film down. Okay, so once we finish tacking down the film, all we need to do now is trim off the excess material. So you would open the door, grab your blade, find the edge of the panel here, and just trim off the excess material. So it'll be like this, and you're just following the edge. And then with heat, we will help it tack down more better here. And then for the top section here, lift the film and only trim off just a little bit passing the rubber gasket. The reason being is because if you cut it where the chrome is at, when we trim it off, it's gonna expose the chrome. So we wanna give it a little bit of excess material. So as you can see, the chrome is here. It ends here, so just trim it off carefully, like right more above where the gasket is at. So just, you can make an outline to see where you would be trimming, and then just take your time when trimming this part. Start from any side, just make sure, like I said, you're not exposing the chrome. And you would just do this until you reach it to the other side. So as you can see, I cut it right where the gasket is right above the chrome, and it's not showing the chrome. So that's where you'll do the trim. So we stop there and then just continue. Make sure it's straight. And now to help tack down the film on this top edge here, all we're gonna do is apply heat and just help it tack down. So once you're done applying heat, then we can move on with the next install. Grab your heat gun and start adding heat to help tack down the film. Okay, and now we move on to the next side. So once we're done with this installation, we can move on with this one. So with this one, I recommend starting from this side. That way, once we work our way to this edge, we just trim off the excess material. So make sure you align it and you're covering all of the chrome. So as you can see, I just have a little bit of excess material here. That excess material will just trim it off. And then the same steps that I did with this one, rinse and repeat here. Align it following the bottom half of the panel. And then once we finish aligning it, we would squeegee the film to tack it all down. And then once we tack everything down, that's when we start doing the trimming process. So grab your squeegee and start tacking down the whole film. And this, for this part here, just make sure you follow the gasket as well. Check where the chrome is ending. And right here, we're just going to apply heat before removing the excess material. And now just find the gap where the plastic is with the chrome, and then we would just trim off that excess material. And that's it, and it's covering the chrome panel. Once we finish with the last step here, the last thing to do would be pulse heat the whole film. That way we help the adhesive activate faster and tack down any film that's still lifting around the edges. So the last step to do, like I mentioned, would be just to pulse heat the whole entire panel. And what pulse heat does, it helps the adhesive on the film activate faster, and we're also helping any material that's still lifting tacking back down. And then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the side chrome delete panel for the 2023 Honda Pilot. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Also, don't forget to check out all the other chrome delete installs for this vehicle on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.